Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video is about three things, that is, achieve what you want in life, a law of attraction, and universal energy. In this video, I will start with some testimonials by philosopher, author, money-making expert, psychologist, teacher, life coach, motivational speaker, etc. I have just taken 4 testimonials. First one, universe gives you anything you want, that is happiness, health, wealth, etc. Second, we can have whatever it is that we choose. Don't bother about how big it is. Now third, I have seen many miracles take place in people's lives. Financial miracles, miracles of physical healing, mental healing, healing of relationships. Now fourth one, everything happens with the help of the secret. Now, what is this word secret? Secret is nothing but law of attraction. Your thoughts become your things. Your thoughts are very, very magnetic. When you send your thoughts or declare your thoughts to the universe, it attracts all the like things and returns back to the source. That is you. You are the source. What have you understood by this? Okay, to put it in a very simple language, see, whatever you wish to have in your life, just declare it to the universe. That is, ask the universe and it will give back your wishes to you. But wait, it doesn't end there. You need to do it step by step. Now, step number 1 is ask. Whatever you want, ask the universe. Now, step number 2, believe in what you have asked. Now, step number 3, receive. Receive what you have asked. I'll give an example. Supposing you want to book a refrigerator, what you do? You go to a shop. After doing a research for about say 30 to 40 minutes, you settle for a particular model and book the same. That is step number 1, that is ask. Next, you come home with the belief that your chosen item will be delivered without having doubt in your mind. Is it not? This is step number 2, believe. Then all your family members start discussing as to where it should be kept, what latest storage items to buy for veg and fruits, which color and type of mats to buy, so on and so forth. This is the third step, receive. Your action shows that you have already received what you had ordered. Ask, believe, receive. Just remember these 3 words. Now, the same principle applies when you get connected with the universe. I will share my own experience. I love to host any event. 4 years back, in the month of Feb, when I was sitting in my balcony, I was just talking to myself about my wish to host Women's Day celebration. I was imagining myself holding the mic and addressing all women from our society who have gathered for the celebration. And at the end of the event, everyone comes and congratulates me and takes promise from me to anchor the show every year. Mentally, I started the preparation from that day onwards. That is, which sari to wear, which jewelry to wear, how to hold the mic, how to give a powerful message with a humor in it. Guys, believe me, on March 1st, I was approached by some of our society ladies and they requested me to host the Women's Day celebration. What I mean to say is, you declare your wish to the universe and believe that you have already received the same. Universe aligns the circumstances and people for your wish to get fulfilled. It doesn't distinguish between your negative thoughts or positive thoughts. So be very, very precise in asking. Try it for yourself. Start creating your life intentionally. Set the universal forces ahead of you. What I mean by this is determine every event in your life in advance through your thoughts. Now, universe will start aligning the people and circumstances to fulfill your wishes. Do you want to experience the law of attraction in action? Start with small wishes of yours. Create your day in advance by thinking the way you want it to go, and remember, create it very, very intentionally without having a doubt. You should be clear in what you want when you are asking the universe. There is another powerful way for what you want in life. Take a diary, write your wishes. Now, number 1, start with 5 simple wishes. Now, number 2, put date and year for each wish of yours. Now, number 3, be specific and do with intention. After writing, go through it very slowly and check whatever you have written. As I have said earlier, universe doesn't distinguish between right and wrong thoughts or wishes. Whatever you wish, it fulfills. So again, I am telling, be specific. Now, start sending your wishes to the universe. That's it. Now comes the important part. As I said earlier, number 1, ask. It is done. Now, number 2, believe. Start believing that your wishes are getting fulfilled. Now, number 3, visualize receiving your fulfilled wishes and enjoy. If you have doubt in your mind, remember, my friends, you are sending wrong signals and confusing the universe. Now, what are you waiting for? Take a diary and start your action right now. All the best. Thanks for listening to my video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Waiting for your comments and suggestions, and also let me know on which topic you want me to speak. I will do my best. Signing off now. Bye. Take care.